To make cream crackers, in a bowl add 2 cups of Maida all-purpose flour along with a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of powdered sugar. Mix the dry ingredients and then to knead this dough we will add 160 ml of Amul fresh cream in this. Gradually, little at a time, keep on adding and mixing the cream in the flour to make the dough. All the ingredients including the cream should be at room temperature. In this dough we are not adding any butter or oil to make the biscuits healthy and oil free. But if you want your cream crackers to be more rich and crispy in texture, at this point you can add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, as we all know, to make biscuits or cookies we don't require to knead the dough, just bring the flour together into a stiff dough ball. Further, keep this dough ball covered with the cling film to set for about half hour over your kitchen counter. Then after 30 minutes we'll unwrap the cling film and divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Keep one of the portion wrapped in the cling film while you are working on the other one. Here we will unevenly roll out the dough, and to make layered cream crackers, roll out and fold the dough 4 to 5 times. After we are done with this step, spread a little bit of dry flour over your kitchen counter and try to roll out this into a square shaped sheet. Keep the thickness of sheet about half a centimeter. Cut out the uneven part from all the 4 sides, and then we will divide this sheet into cream cracker size biscuits. Using a fork, pierce the biscuit sheets 1 to 2 times to avoid puffing. To get light golden crust over the biscuits, brush them with butter or olive oil. Now we are almost done. We will next place them over a baking tray and bake them at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 to 12 minutes. At last, take them out, keep them over a rack to let them cool down completely before serving. You can enjoy and keep these cream cracker biscuits stored for a month in an airtight container. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon till we meet again with another interesting video. Bye bye.